Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to create notice period master in PromptHR. You can create notice period salary grade wise. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must have admin rights to access master's menu. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. Click on Position. Then click Notice Period. Click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to create notice period. Now enter date from which this notice period will be effective. Select salary grade. This notice period will be default for all the employees who going to join against this salary grade after above mentioned effective date. But at the time of entering employees' master data you can change employees' default notice period there, if requires. Enter probation period in months. Enter notice period during probation in days. Enter notice period after confirmation in days. And now save. After saving, you can see the newly created notice period master in your list.